friends, this is Dhruvya. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are watching my video for the first time and you guys are wondering what's going on, so on my channel birthday series is going on in which I am uploading new videos every single day. So you'll get something new to see every single day till 11th April, since my birthday is on 11th April. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so today I am going to share few outfit ideas which you can go to office that is not formal, not informal, it is semi-formal, so you can look stylish plus formal at the same time. So it is really amazing video. Watch this video till the end and do hit like to this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so the first option over here is that one piece. Yes, you can go for any one piece which is below knee or till knee, and you can have collar on your one piece which is straight fit. Yes, you can even go for flowy one piece, but yes, it should have a collar. Like even without collar you can go to office if it's allowed, but with collar it always looks formal and amazing. Yes, so I just have this black one piece which is looking amazing and I can wear at office, which looks stylish yet formal and classy and amazing. So yes, this is the first option. Next option is you can go jeans plus shirt. Yes, a formal shirt with jeans looks amazing. A plain shirt is obviously not that lining one's total formal, but yes, you can go with plain shirt and jeans. It looks really amazing and yet again semi-formal and classy, and you can have that stylish look as well. Yes, and if you guys are wondering about my voice, yes, my voice is totally gone. I wasn't well last week, so just bear with it. Next option is you can go for pants, cotton pants with shirt. It looks amazing. If not shirt, you can even go for any flowy top which looks really good. Flowy top with jeans also looks good. So always remember, at office your top shouldn't be off shoulder, sleeveless, nor tight. It should be flowy and pastel colors, not that bright or dark colors. It always be light, soothing and pastel colors, so it looks amazing and yet semi-formal look, and it gives semi-formal look to your outfit. Next option is you can go for plazo as well. Wearing plazo over shirt or over any top looks amazing. Even a full plazo jumpsuit looks amazing, but remember, same criteria, it shouldn't be sleeveless, it shouldn't be sleeveless are fine if it has collar, but it shouldn't be off shoulder. Yes, so always remember that if you are wearing sleeveless, it should have collar so it looks classy. But if you are wearing sleeveless, if it's round neck or v-neck, it won't look that classy. So always remember this tip. Now last option is wearing jeans with kurti. Looks amazing. It depends on your kurti. A-line straight kurti looks really superb with earrings, good earrings. You can go to office but wear jeans below that. It looks really classy and amazing. So yes, that was all for today, and yes, this outfit, this looks were really useful and amazing, and do try them and let me know in the comment section. You can follow me on my social media and DM me over there on Instagram especially. Yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit like to this video. It motivates me, so please do hit like, and yes, see you in next video. Bye bye.